Quantum Precision in Birmingham. Jim, thanks for having us along. First of all, turn parts?
Yeah, turn parts made up of mostly star sliding head up to 35 mil capacity. We've got 11 stars in total and 2 Nakamuras, one which is a WT, which is twin spindle, twin turret, up to 65 mil capacity, mill turn machine.
You're showing off a bit there, but we'll come to that in a minute with the components you make. But just a little bit of background, how long you've been going, what industries you do, what materials?
I've been going as a business since 1985, but basically into CNC in the last 12 to 15 years. We do parts for all trades, gas, not too much for automotive, but gas, electronics, hardware, air rifles, and we do all materials.
So, subcontractor, any challenge basically?
Any challenge, yeah. There's not a material that we've had where we've had to say we can't do it.
There you go. Now also, I understand you're sort of always on the lookout for, you looked at a part and you think that's milled, but you can turn it.
Yep. For example,
there you go, one we prepared earlier.
We have a job here. We used to buy this in as a blank and put it on the machining centre and do all the holes, the crap hole, the cross holes, tapped holes. Now we did on a star, buy round bar and drop it off complete.
Nice news. So I'm thinking beforehand, there's issues if you turn it around 2-op, 3-op, time, accuracy, etc.
Etc. And there's always a chance that you could make a mistake and put it in the wrong way around, in which case then the job is scrapped. Human error. Doing it on the star from bar eliminates that.
Okay, so just load it up, run it 24/7, and
yep. And obviously it's round bar as well, so you can get that off the shelf. Whereas, as it's in that form, you would have to have it prepared and sent in blank form, which is not. You can't. It wouldn't be supplied for 2-3 weeks before you get it like that.
Absolutely. So just making you more efficient. Now,
yeah.
We've got a number of nice components here. What's this one here?
Yeah, that one again is on the Nakamura. Again made from round bars. You can see with a lot of intricate parts on it, small tapped holes, cross holes, milling, and to be without the Nakamura, you wouldn't be able to do that job.
Yeah, so you said twin spindle, twin turret?
Twin spindle, twin turret. Again, when we looked at it, if I'm honest, I thought, maybe I can do that one. But Lawrence and John, between they sort the program out, dropped it off, and it's dropped off in one lot. Well, it's 2 parts pushed together.
So you've got to get the accuracy for the 2 bases.
Without a doubt, and as I say, it's a very complicated job, but the machine handles it very well.
And again, it's great testimony to the guys programming as well, the fact they can do that.
Of course, I must admit, I looked at it and my eyes blinked a little bit, but we did it, and it was successful.
Never in doubt.
It went to America.
Okay. Now, what about this one here? This is interesting.
Yep, we do. This is a 6-star thread. This is a 316 stainless steel, obviously on a brass component, and with the customer, we developed this part. It's made for a safety harness for the guys when they're up on high buildings or on airplane wings or anything, and if they fall, this device is connected to the body when they hit it on the chest, and it actually just lowers them down slowly to the ground because of this 6-star thread, which has to just literally release very quickly for safety reasons.
That's a cracking little component.
This is the component that we bought the HFT for, and we're waiting for a new order for this. And the only problem we had with it was the swarf building up, and we're hoping by having the HFT, well, it will eliminate that problem.
Yeah, so not necessarily reducing cycle times, but less operator intervention.
Well, yeah, because what would happen when the colleague came over to pick up the component, the swarf would jam, the machine would stop, and it could be stopped for 4 to 5 minutes, 6 minutes before somebody would notice it. And
they're too busy reading the MTD magazine.
That's right. I didn't say that. He said that. But that's the big advantage with that, without a doubt. That's going to be a big saving for us.
Okay, so that's your star with the HFT.
Yeah.
Okay. Now one final thing. This is on the Nakamura. This is a great chunk of a component.
Yeah. Again, it's a job which we took on, and again I looked at it and I thought, bloody hell, it's a big beast. But we made 250 of them, and it's mild steel, but as you can see, there's a lot of work in that, and heavy milling, all dropped off, finished from the machine.
Oh, right, okay. You say heavy milling, Nakamura, no problem, big cuts of material?
Yeah, Nakamura handled it fine. It is mild steel, but to saying that, it's a big chunk.
Okay. Well, Jim, that is just a brief showcase of quantum precision, but essentially, as I said, any sort of turning work, but also if there's milling work out there, you think you can do it on the lathes as well?
Yeah, definitely. Anything, obviously turning work is our main, but with the machines we've got, we're capable of doing mill turn on and anything.
Excellent. Quantum precision in Birmingham.